Are you ready to take your iPhone and Apple software repair with a live demo skills to the next level? Introducing the Ultimate iPhone Software Solutions course. This course is first of its type on Udemy. In today's fast-paced world, the demand for innovative iPhone applications is increasing. Whether you're an aspiring beginner or have been working a seasoned pro, this course is designed to help you with the knowledge and skills you need to make it in the competitive world of iPhone software repairs. Hi there! I'm Engineer Ben Ike, your guide throughout this incredible journey. With over 20 years of experience in iPhone software repairs, I have other courses in Udemy with many students that take other smartphone fixing problems. I've worked on numerous coding projects, mobile apps, and computer repairs. I'm here to share my knowledge and insider tips with you. Our comprehensive course curriculum covers everything you need to know, from the fundamentals of iPhone software flashing to advanced topics like fixing iPhone disabled, iPhone unavailable, and iCloud issues. The course also breakdowns on how to jailbreak, downgrade, and gaster iPhone with RAMDISK. You'll learn how to fix iPhone hanging on logo, iPhone with boot loop, and how to use many software to fix iPhone software-related issues. But this isn't just a theoretical course. Our hands-on approach ensures that you'll gain practical experience by working on real-world projects throughout the entire course. By the end, you'll have a portfolio of impressive flashing knowledge to showcase your skills to potential customers, family, friends, employers, or clients. Imagine standing your own and being called an iPhone engineer or technician with certificate after taking this course, or simply bring joy to millions of users worldwide. Our course will empower you to do just that. Plus, you'll be part of a vibrant community of fellow learners where you can collaborate, share ideas, and get valuable feedback on your work. The support and camaraderie will keep you motivated and engaged throughout the course. By enrolling in the iPhone and other Apple products software repair with a live demo course, you'll receive expert guidance from industry professionals, hands-on experience with real-world projects, in-depth knowledge of the latest iPhone software development tools and frameworks. What are you waiting for? For more information on how to join other students, check link on the description and sign up, and you'll be happy you did.